Kasam.
A place for everyone. Once the Prophet's companions were sitting together when they were joined by a man who had all sorts of unpleasant patches on his face. The companions looked at the man's face and stood up in disgust to sit elsewhere. No one wanted to sit near him. The poor man was heartbroken. He did not think that his fellow Muslims would treat him so horribly just because he looked different than them. The man was deeply upset and so overwhelmed that he did not know what to do or where to go. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was seated nearby and saw how others were treating this man. When he saw that not a single person sat with the man, he himself went and sat next to the man. When the man looked up and saw the Prophet sitting beside him, he was overcome with joy and gratitude. The Prophet smiled at him and began a pleasant conversation to help him feel less lonely. With this simple act of humanity, the noble Prophet showed us that no one should be treated differently just because they look different. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created people in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. Some people may look different. Instead of shunning someone who looks different, we should aim to be like the Prophet and celebrate the unique qualities that Allah has blessed them with.
Make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to share.